Hi, welcome to 1 Minute Excel. Tonight we're going to look at an if-or statement. Your if statement allows you to pick one test where the value of true is criteria you provide and value of false is another set of criteria you provide. If we do an if-or statement, we're allowed to pick multiple logical tests. If any of them are true, the entire thing will become true. Running through a quick test here, if we do just an if formula, so equals if, open parentheses, we're going to pick age and see who's younger than 18. Select the cell in age, we're going to hit F4 3 times, which will lock the column when we move over. Say less than equal to 18, comma. In this case, if they're younger than 18, we're going to say yes. And if they're older than 18, it's going to say no. Close parentheses. Let's copy that down. So we've got our age piece. But now let's see if either of these occur, can they vote? In this case, if either occurs, they cannot vote. So we're going to say if, but now we're going to jump straight to the or formula. Say or, open parentheses. Your first criteria is the same. Select the age cell, and it's going to be less than equal to 18. Now, what's your second criteria? In this case, you're going to pick the register to vote column. Select the first cell, hit F4 3 times, and then say equals to no. And now you can close out your OR formula, hit comma. Now you'll see it jumps back to the if formula. So if true, if either of those are true, we're going to say in quotation marks, no, they cannot vote. And if both of those are false, now they can vote. So let's go ahead and write yes. We can close out, hit enter. Let's copy that down. And this is your if-or formula.